Hello, I'm Fenella, one of your Viking Resident Historians, taking a short break from gardening to send you greetings and hope that you're all safe and well. While we've been gardening, Michael and I have been reminiscing about some of the highlights of our cruises over the last few years. Very difficult because there are so many of them. Northern Lights, of course, inevitably. But a site that I never thought I would get to is Larso Meadows in the New World, where the Vikings settled 500 years before Columbus sailed the Atlantic. We also loved that North Atlantic trip because we sailed through the Prince Christian Sound in the most magical weather with beautiful blue sky and the glaciers and the smooth water and little bergy bits floating past us. I saw for the first time last year a volcano erupting. That was new. And got to Israel too in November last year. So many memorable things, but most memorable, of course, are people, both guests and crew. And we've made so many friends and kept in touch with so many people over the years. We really appreciate that. Love to hear your news and what you're doing. So thank you for that. I don't know if you can hear the bee in the background, but there are lots of bees around at the moment. Anyway, do keep safe and well. Look after yourselves. Goodbye.